All right, everybody, what is going on, man? And welcome to another video, bro. Got a box in front of me. You already know, got the new Rally Sport parts in. This is actually the oil pressure oil pressure sensor relocation kit. I'm gonna get this unboxed real quick, man, and we're gonna go ahead and get into some good news that I got for the channel today. So let's do it. Boom, we got it. The new Pro Sport. Oh yeah, and the nut. As always, huge shout out to Rally Sport Direct for coming in clutch. The overnight shipping, man, y'all always come through for your boy, so appreciate that. I need to get this on the car because my car is dirty as shit. I still have not washed it. I was gonna wash it the other day after the vlog of me test fitting the spacers and everything, but I mean, I just got tired and I really didn't have the time to. Plus I was leaking a little bit of oil from the oil galley plug, so I had to get a new one because it got over tight. So I'm gonna put this on. It's a little bit late already. I'm just not getting home, getting off of work, but I will update y'all tomorrow when I'm actually in the car. I'm gonna get the car washed, get this stuff thrown on tonight, and get the spacers as well as the new lug nuts and everything on, so y'all can see that. So I'll update y'all tomorrow, and with the power of editing. All right, y'all, what's going on, man? It is now the morning time. I'm about to head out to work. It's freezing out here. I don't know if you can see my breath, bro. It's like 20 degrees outside right now. I've got to get to work, man. Like I said, I'll update y'all once I get back to the house. We're gonna get this thing washed today, get the new spacers on and the new wheel, the new lug nuts, and we're gonna see how it looks. Hopefully one of my other parts is here. If not, like I said, I'll be letting y'all know what's going on with the car. And just got off of a long day from work. Time to go wash the car up, man, and get this thing clean. I want to see how the car looks, man. So I will update y'all once I get to the wash and start getting this thing clean. Finally getting to clean this thing. Look how dirty. Look at that. God, this car has not seen a wash in I don't even know how long, but I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, man. I'm already spraying the wheels down. I need to get this thing clean so I can get it back to the house, get the spacers and the new lug nuts and everything on, man. Dude, I love the way this car idles, man, with these injectors and the way it sounds with these new headers. Just listen to it. God, it's so mean. But all right, y'all, I'm finished up here. Ended up finishing up a little bit later than I thought, but I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the house. Oh my God, look at this view. If you guys could look at this, oh my God. God, it's so damn clean now. But I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the house. Got the car set up. About to go ahead and throw the spacers on, man, with the new lugs. So let's get to it. It's getting kind of late, so I'm just gonna set the camera down and do like a time lapse. So I got one side on, ran into a small issue. So I thought that the lug nuts came with the key already in the packaging. They don't. So I actually have to go to AutoZone and grab a deep 19 socket.